see you. Good to have you back. Today we're going to do something that I'm really excited about, and that is I got my Kylie Cosmetics. Yes, I'm way behind, but what we're doing today is a look with the birthday collection eyeshadow palette, and it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. So we're gonna create a few looks with this one today. We're gonna start with number 1, and then I'm probably gonna do a series of 2 or 3 with the same palette. So you just can like switch up and do whatever you feel like you wanna do. If you want it dramatic, if you want it neutral, or if you want something in between. So we're gonna do neutral colors, crazy colors, and something like wow boom. So I hope you stay tuned. So should we start by opening the package first of all? So if you're interested in this palette, I will link it down below. You can get it on a Norwegian page now for, I think they're sold out at the moment, but this is where I got mine. And then you don't have to pay like, is it called Texas? Texas? Yeah. Here's the beauty. Sipping pretty. Woohoo! It makes me so happy. Woohoo! Woohoo! Let's remove the sheet. And let's see this beauty right here. Oh, this makes me so happy. So let's just dip right into it. Okay, so since I already messed up with my eyes, I had to remove it and start it over again. That happens sometimes. Don't worry, we'll start over one side with makeup on. I thought it would be so much easier visually to, first of all, see the difference. So let's do the other one. So what we're gonna start off with is this neutral color right here. I'm gonna put that all over the lid just to like make a base. And it's almost like a pinkish undertone on it. So dip into color and just blend it in. On the outer, we're gonna blend it on the outer V, just like circular, remember, emotions, and in towards the brow. And then back and forth a little bit. So I'm gonna pick into this color right here with the same brush, and I'm gonna place it right above the other color. This is like a beautiful burgundy color, almost like rosy. Just gonna build that color a little bit more. Stay in your crease and on the outer V right here. And don't forget to like flick it out a little bit and blend it upwards. The next color we're gonna put down is this one right here, and I'm gonna pick up with a flatter brush. It looks like this. Like pick this color up and place it in the outer V. Use the blending brush and blend the color out. I'll go back, pick up that color with the flat brush, and I'm gonna put it right here. And whatever's left, just drag it in the global. And go back to the blending brush and blend out. So what we're gonna do next is picking up this color right here with the same flat brush that's a little bit fluffy, and go into your outer corner right here and place it right on the outer V. And I'm gonna make circular motions and pass it a little bit inwards towards the apple of my eye, like right here. so we can see that bright, beautiful pink color showing up. And then you can start blending it a little bit up in your global. Back and forth. Pick up some more. See, I tap it at the V, and then I blend. And then you blend. Then go back to your blending brush and blend out the outer corners. Then I'm gonna pick up the glittery, beautiful champagne color that got like specks of rose gold, a little bit bluish glitter in it, and some pink as well. That's gonna complement this look a lot. So just grab that with your finger, and I like to just place it on the lid. Tap carefully in the middle of your eyelid and towards the inner corner and just blend it out. Pick up some more. I'm gonna take an angled brush like this one and pick up this bright, vibrant neon pink. And I'm just gonna place that on the outer corner just to get a little pop of something extra. Almost like a V. I'm gonna put it like this and just make it almost like a small liner towards the glitter. And just hold it here. Don't go upwards, just stay right down here on the outer corner. There you go. And I'm gonna do the same on the bottom lash line. I'm gonna go back to that flat color, pick up that bright pink in the outer corner again. Just blend a little bit in that neon color and that glitter. We want to be like blended in with everything else. There we go! Go ahead and grab yourself a smaller brush and we're gonna work on our bottom lash line. Pick up that rosy color and we're gonna blend out that neon color on the bottom lash line. And we're just gonna place it all over the bottom lash. Don't forget to connect it to the eyeshadow above. So for my inner corner, I'm gonna use this color that's second on the top row as my highlighter. And I just poked myself in the eye. I'm gonna tap a little bit and put on my brow bone. I can tell I want a little bit more glitter from that middle corner right here, so I'm just gonna use that same brush, dip into the color we placed on our finger, and just like fix that real quick. Now that eyeshadow look a little bit crazy, but with some liner, some lashes, and some lashes, this is gonna look great. We're gonna look like a pink unicorn, just saying. Let's grab some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. So I did my hair a little bit better because, you know, when your hair is good, you feel good. And we're pretty much done with the look on our eyes. Like you like. Let's just finish this look by doing our face. We're already primed, put foundation on, concealer, and a little bit of highlighter. So what we're gonna do next is some blush and our lips. So what I want to use for blush is this palette right here. It's a new one that I got for Christmas. A 10 pack with blushes. So let's see. I don't want too much of a like pinkish bright color on my apples. I want something that's going to tone it down a little bit because we're going to put lips on as well. And that's going to put the look together. So go ahead and grab your blush brush, and I'm gonna pick these two nudish color. The one on top got a little bit pink in it, and that's gonna be perfect. So just mix those two. So if you need 10 blushes in this pack like I have, go ahead and jump on over to my info box, and I will link this down below. It's gonna help you a lot, and you got all the blushes in one compact, so it's easy to travel with, and when you need something, you got all the colors in one palette. So for lips, I'm gonna do something that's gonna like match this look right here, but I don't want it to be too bold because her eyes are already like. So what I want to do for lips is my Candy K lip liner. Just a tad on the outer line, and we're going to use the Butter Gloss from NYX in the color, it says BLG, and the number is 05. So if you want the same combination, you go ahead and grab those. So you want to top that off with the Butter Gloss. So as you can see, that completes the look. We got our lips done, we got our rouge on, our eyes are complete. What I put on was lashes and some mascara over, and don't forget your bottom lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as me. This palette, bomb.com. Just saying, all the pigments are there. It's what you're paying for. It's a little bit over a normal price range, but it's definitely worth it. You have everything from everyday look to a party look. Woo, party. I'm definitely gonna get my use out of this. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You're kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You will never